All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Chevy Cruze. It is the LT model, this beautiful silver with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice. Only 27,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood does have a dent here, about 2 to 3 inches. I don't see any paint off on that, but it is there. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. No, I do not. Let's check out the tire tread, which is at 530 seconds. That's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Check out your tire tread. Is just under 430 seconds. Your roof looks pretty good. Does have a dent here. I'll say 10 or more. Just don't go if it's from here to down here, but I have no measuring tool to check that out for you guys. All right. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage. So I just turned on the lights. And your mileage of 27,037. Looks good. Looks good. Does it have fog lights? What is this for? I don't know. We'll keep moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. It does have a armrest with cup holders. Coming around, we got some heavy scratchings here. Multiple. Deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. This quarter here does have a dent here, less than an inch, but it is there. Here's your rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim, I apologize. Tire tread is under 430 seconds. Here we have a dent with paint off right there, about an inch as well. Got a little dent over here with no paint off. That's right. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. The front fender looks pretty good. Let's have a little dent here. No paint off, less than an inch. And here's your your front passenger rim. And your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Looks good, folks. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT model with 27,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.